feels like a runway look. Sort of. Why can people on the runway move like that? Maybe I just don't know, but maybe some, because you can really see the outfit when they move like the way I entered. You can see how the outfit, but of course they can move normally first, like the standing sort of erect, so that you can see how it naturally looks on the street when you walk, or when the wind sort of, is there wind in the runway, like some kind of effect, but they can walk up right like they normally do, of course. But then you can see more of the character of the outfit when they do this, when they start to do this, or like sort of, you can see the dancing of the fabric, or how the light hits it. You can see more, it gives it more dimensions. Why don't they do that? I mean, that would be more interesting. And again, I kind of just got aware of the fact that when I'm in my room, I speak much more like I'm inside a can or a jar, and that's why it feels so weird. And I have to always sort of make my voice a little softer, or like with less volume, because I'm not entirely sure of, because of the living situation, as you know. And but I want to talk about something while I'm folding my clothes. I'm not sure if that's manageable. I'm being confronted by the books that I still haven't read, because they're in front of me. So I just realized that this is the first time in more than a month that I did this inside my room. So I'm feeling all sorts of things, and I'm always feeling something strange. So I need a lot of silence in between, I guess. I hope that's alright. Was, the sun is shining, because the original plan was I'm gonna film outside, and I want to dress nicely, because when summer is so short, so it's not always possible. But I'm gonna start with folding already. And the thing I want to talk about, I was already discussing it with myself while I was having breakfast, brunch. I was already discussing it with myself, because you're not here, that's why. I'm just discussing it with myself because you're not here. And then I like silence and all, but and at the same time, I appreciate if someone actually, if I'm not the only person I'm discussing things with, if that makes sense. And when someone is also actively asking questions about what I just said, and them giving their own color to my canvas, and I'm like, why that shade? Why did you choose that? Why that brush stroke? Why I like this sort of, not, but making a cake together situation. not knowing how it will turn out. But like in conversations, I haven't, well, you see, this is such an evidence of how I struggle with one straight direction when I speak. Like last time I asked you, remember the question I asked you last time? Is when you speak, do you always have directions? That question. And because as you can see, very apparently, in my manner of speaking, folding bras. Hope that's okay. I can show you this. This is my favorite. This is my favorite. Because it fits well, it looks nice, and it makes me feel like a woman. This is the work bra because it doesn't have wires under. And I should stop talking about bra and get straight to my point. Because earlier, the topic that, or this sentiment or a reflection, I'm not sure what to call it, just excuse me, my nose is didn't realize that the door was open and there's someone in here as of the moment, but I forgot what I was talking about before I attended to my nose. But I could begin again about what I was trying to say, or the reflections, is it a reflection or an opinion or a reaction or whatever it is. I had that this morning about phones. And I thought of how it's so normal nowadays when you're meeting someone, a friend, a family, or just people, when you're meeting people or animals. It's so normal that your phone is just somewhere outside of your pockets, like on the dinner table or on in your or somewhere that the other person can see. It's so normal, and it's so normal that people attend to it also. Personally, I don't like this. And I was thinking, I had some recent incidences where it happened and I had different reactions to it. Maybe because of the severity or who it was or the situation. But I can give you how I can give you the reaction I had, or I can talk about the reaction I had when I was with my sister, because we were in the mall and she asked me to go. We are in the Philippines, and as you know, I only have a very limited amount of days there. Sorry. And she asked me to run some errands with her and go to the mall afterwards to go grab some snack or something like that. And she was on her phone all the time. Not all the time, but 90% of the time she was on her phone. And at some point I was just like, I got very irritated because I would like to talk to her about things. because it's not always that I have the luxury of seeing her or being with her or running errands with her. And she was on her phone, so at some point I got quite, not quite, but I got very irritated that and I said, not in a shouting manner, but in a manner that sounds like this. If you were just gonna be on your phone all the time, you shouldn't have just asked me to be here. I could have just been at home and chill there with the cats or do some other chores to help our mom. And I guess it's because of the expectation as well, that we are gonna speak about things or laugh about something, and then it didn't happen because of her being on her phone. I guess that added to the irritation, the expectations. And I guess it's hard not to have expectations in general when it comes to the people you care about. And that's another very sort of, I would call it asterisk topic, because it's not a one-way road. Because once you speak about it, 8 more directions pop up in your head, and I'm gonna try to stay in one. So expectations, and sometimes you have these expectations you're not even aware of until it gets crushed, I believe. In that moment it gets crushed, and people say all the time that you should communicate your expectations or your needs or something like this, but and it's correct also, and at the same time it's correct, and at the same time I feel like that's just, it's case to case basis. Because see, if you ask someone to go with you, what's the natural thing that someone will think? Of course you would enjoy the moment together. And is it even expectation that I was thinking that we would just be present with one another? I'm not sure. I'm hoping for your opinions on this, by the way. So I got, but I guess the good thing that I did was I called it out when I felt that it's not okay anymore. Because during the first few times it was okay, it was fine. I know that she has a life, she has some friends she wants to talk to instantly when they message her. I know that. But at some point it's just, well, what am I doing here if we're not speaking to each other? And you should think about my feelings as well. So I told her that. I'm quite surprised about how transparent I was. I said it to her face that you should think about what I will feel also when you're always on your phone. So yeah. And the other instance was when I was with a friend, and I didn't even notice that her phone was on the table until it lit up. And she attended to it. And that actually, it's not as, the reaction that I had was not as punching on the throat as the one that occurred with my sister. It's just, I prefer prefer that it didn't happen, but at the same time, I prefer that it didn't happen, and at the same time, I don't know how to put it in words, but I hope you get what I mean. And I believe she did it twice, and the second time that she did it was, I felt the reaction escalated a bit, but I gave her the space to be with the other friend that was on her phone. But not, I kept using the word but when I really mean and. So I gave her that space without me being angry or irritated. I just focused on my food while she was replying to her friend. I guess one of the friends I had, which is now living their lives separately from I am in every sense. She is right when I have these high expectations. Maybe in some degree she's right. And I'm really expectation, that word in general, because also it ties to the how we have different 17 minutes. I should do a part